Hello everyone, this is lesson 2 of unit 2, theoretical probability. Here's the definition. The probability, which is likelihood, that an event occurs when all the outcomes of the experiment are equally likely to happen. Probability can be written as a fraction, decimal, or a percent. We talked about this a couple of days ago. The probability of event is the number of ways the event can occur over the total number of equal likely outcomes. We're going to go through a few examples. You roll a standard number cube, which is a dice we talked about a couple of days ago. Find the probability of each event below. Write your answer as a fraction in simplest form. So a number cube has 6 sides. And this one, A, says, what's the probability of landing on a 5? Well, there's only one 5 over 6. B, what's the probability you'll land on a 1 or a 6? 1 or 6. We'll write this down here like we did the other day. Just give us a visual. 1 or 6. There's a 1, there's a 6. That's 2 out of a total of 6 outcomes, which reduces to 1/3. C, what's the probability you land on an even number? Well, 2, 4, and 6 are even. That's 3 of them. 3 numbers out of a total of 6, and that reduces to 1/2. Okay, those are the first 3 examples. Example 2 problems. You have a spinner shown. Find the probability of each event. Write your answer in a fraction. So the first thing we need to do is count how many spaces on the spinner. How many sections? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, which is the number. There's 8, and we'll put 8 here. What's the probability you'll land on a 7? Well, let's count how many 7s we got. Well, there's 1, 2, 3, there's only 1 7 out of a total of 8. What's the probability you land on an odd? Well, let's count how many odd numbers there are. 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 8 again. And don't forget that reduces to 1/2. Okay. C, what's the probability you land on a 1, 2, or a 3? All 3 together. There's a 1, there's a 2, there's a 3, there's 3 out of 8. That cannot reduce. Example 3. A bag contains 3 blue, 4 red, 5 yellow marbles. Find the probability of each event. Write in a fraction. All right, so we have a total of, there's 7 plus 5, total of 12 marbles. Probability of a red. So we have 4 reds out of 12, and that reduces to 1/3. Okay, part B. Probability to land on a yellow. Well, there's 5 yellows out of 12. That cannot be reduced, so that's the final answer. Probability land on a, you choose a blue or a yellow marble. So I have 3 blues, 5 yellows, that's a total of 8 over 12 again. And that can reduce by dividing by 4, which is 2/3. Okay, keep in mind theoretical probability is what should happen.